Estoy aprendiendo algo diferente, algo que yo no sabía y algo que puedes aplicar en el trabajo y en tu casa. Yo agradezco que por lo menos alguien nos puso atención. Y eso para mí cuenta mucho porque contamos como trabajadores esenciales. Quiero poner en práctica lo que aprendí.
Este programa nos ha abierto mucho los ojos, pero hay muchas más cosas de que uno está aprendiendo.
There is a lot of pride in the work of the janitors I've worked with so far. We have 6 modules. It's always interactive. We do these things interactively.
The Green Janitor education program covers a broad range of topics, including green building cleaning practices, recycling, energy efficiency, water conservation, waste management, and other sustainable practices. By investing and training janitorial staff, organizations invest in their future to promote individuals throughout the organization and realize short and long-term achievements in improving the health, cleanliness, and sustainability of their buildings.
The SEIU Education Support Fund is a national independent 501c3. Our role in this initiative is to design and deliver the Green Janitors curriculum and program. And we do this in partnership with unions, building owners, and the United States Green Building Council. We are really excited to be able to roll out this vision in the property services sector.
Where we're hoping that this program leads is to take it to scale. We want to see every single janitor, cleaner, custodian who is working to be a green certified janitor. It's a unique model that I hope that we can see more of.
I don't have to be a manager, but I can make the difference by learning, by getting the education.
Мы можем, так как мы везде работаем, везде находимся, мы можем много дать им идей. Например, там течет кран, им сообщить, что это можно было сделать по-другому, чтобы экономилась вода.
When you hear the term sustainability in the built environment, most people don't immediately think janitors, but janitors are on the front lines noticing trends and potential areas of improvement for occupancy comfort before anyone else in the building.
Do you want to make a difference? This is one way to start.
We are helping people. We're doing real work about saving the planet.